Hello everyone, all people in the world, and welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. In this video, I will teach you how to fix any copyright claim inside your videos. It is very normal, but when you try to hover the mouse pointer just among this, you will see the detail here. But when you click on that, there is no place. There is no place to replace the songs. So today I will show you what happened to that, and I will teach you how to fix that. So to fix this, you need to close this first, and you will see the details icon here. And now go to click on that, and you will see the editors here that on the left hand side in YouTube 2021. So click on that, and the below part you will see the place that you can add any music on that. So now click on that, and it will showing screen like this. So you don't need to click any views cloud, but you can click on this return to editors. Just click on that, and here's the place that you can add any music inside the video. So you have if you have already chosen any side to add it a star, so you can select it, or you can try to search something like this music or something what you want. Now I'm gonna play it for us. Okay. Okay. Now the song is only the middle of the videos. It's not completely full, so you can add one more song. Okay, this one is full enough, so you need to click on the short one and hit delete on your keyboard, and then click on the save button here, and then save, and we will process this video. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video is very helpful to you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And video is my friend is want me to edit for him, so I think this is not my channel, but the real channel is Khmerue Team. So thank you for watching my video.